What you're about to see is because of that hole in our roof and also the vent that leads into our laundry room.
Okay. Hi, honey, what are you doing?
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Whoa, I'm gonna get a bird out of our dryer. We had a little bird problem this morning, I guess, and he somehow went all the way down here, got into our little tube here. But this is where he is, and so this is gonna be exciting. No!
Where are you going?
What's going on?
Burn the house.
Oh my gosh!
We're gonna burn the house. Okay.
That wasn't a baby bird. Oh my gosh!
Okay, hold on. I'll try to catch it, maybe.
I don't think you can catch it.
It hasn't left yet. It's staying in the house. Yikes! Oh my god! Hey, what are you doing? You're a source of rabies.
What? Oh!
Oh my god!
There she goes. There she goes.
Oh my gosh!
Good girl.